Okay, hello and welcome to my lesson. So today we're going to be doing a lesson in subtraction using borrowing and regrouping. Of course, I have Vizzy here with me. She is a second grader and this is something that they're doing in class. So something to get out of the way is the definitions. We have the minuend, which is the top number. Minuend. That's interesting, I know. And then we have the subtrahend, which is the number that you're taking away, the smaller number. And then the answer is the difference. So this word is very important because it tells the learner what kind of problem they're asking. So if a problem says find the difference between 15 and 5, you know they're asking you to subtract those two numbers. So, in our case, we're going to be using the numbers 1, 6, 8, minus 79. And something that is really important to note is where the place values are. So the 8 right here, Izzy, do you know what place that is in? The ones place, that's good. And what about the 6? The next space over? Yep, that's the tens place. And then the 1 is the hundreds place. So you can see on the bottom that we don't have a number where? In what place? The hundreds, that's right. And then in the tens place, what do we have? 7. And then in the ones place, a 9, that's right. So for my visuals here, I'm going to be using these wooden sticks for my tens place, and I'm going to be using these wooden clothespins for my ones place. So on the top we have 168, and on the bottom we have 79. So can we take away 9 from 8? No. Oh, not without a negative. You're already learning about negative numbers. So we can't have a negative on the bottom, so we're going to have to borrow or regroup our numbers. So in order to get a number you can take away 9 from on top, we're going to have to get this to 18. In order to do that, we're going to take away 1 10 stick from 60. So 6 minus 1 is 5, that's right. So we're going to cross out our 6. And we're going to put a 5 on top of it. And then we're going to give that group of 10 to our 8. So now we have an 18 on top. 18 minus 9 is, well, we can do that right here. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we take away 9, we're going to have 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so we're going to put a 9 on the bottom. That's for our ones place. And then we're going to move over to the tens place. So can we take away 7 from 5? No, we can't. You're right. So what are we going to have to do this time? Take away, or what is that? What is take away? Borrow. So can you tell me what to do? Or show me? Yep, sure. So you're going to take, you're going to cross out the 0, and you're going to give it to the 5. That's right. So now we have a, thank you. Now we have a 15 on top because we had the 5 before when we borrowed a group of 10. So 15 minus 7 is, we can do that again. So we have a 10 stick, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 here, we're going to take away 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15 minus 7 is 8. That's right. So now we put our 8 on bottom. And because we crossed off the 1 over here, we have a 0 in the hundreds place now, or nothing. The 0 would just be the placeholder. So we can put it there or not. I don't like to because I find it confusing. So now we see that the difference is 89. Now, one way we can check our work busy is, do you know what the opposite of subtraction is? Addition, that's right. So we can add our smaller number, our subtrahend, to our difference in order to see if we get the top number again. So then we're going to do 89 plus 79 equals 9 plus 9 is 18. So we're going to put the 8, and then what are we going to do with the 1? Carry it. That's right. So we're going to bring it up here. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. Oh, yep, you didn't forget the 1, 16. So, and yep, that gives us our answer, 168, 168. So our difference is 89. Yeah, so that is how we subtract using borrowing or regrouping.